If you want to quickly change the mood of a photo in Pixlr, one of the easiest tools to use is the temperature adjustment. In this video, I'll show you how to adjust temperature in Pixlr step by step so you can create a warmer, more golden look or a cooler, more blue tone style in just a few clicks. This is perfect for improving portraits, fixing lighting, or giving your image a more professional finish. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Pixlr Free Photo Editor in your browser. You can do this on almost any device and you do not need to install anything to get started. Once Pixlr loads, open the image you want to edit. You can upload a photo from your computer, drag and drop it into the editor, or open an image you already have in your workspace. Make sure your image is fully loaded before moving on, so all the adjustment tools will work properly. Now that your image is open, look at the top navigation bar. This is where Pixlr keeps most of its editing tools. Click on the adjustment menu. When the drop-down list appears, find and select Temperature and Tint. This opens the color control panel, where you can fine-tune the overall tone of your image. Once the Temperature and Tint panel is open, you'll see the temperature slider. This is the key setting for changing the warmth or coolness of your photo. If you drag the slider to the right, the image becomes warmer and shifts toward yellow tones. This is great for sunlight, skin tones, cozy scenes, and making a photo feel softer and more inviting. If you drag the slider to the left, the image becomes cooler and shifts toward blue tones. This works well if you want a crisp, clean, modern look, or if the photo feels too orange or too warm already. As you move the slider, watch the preview closely so you can see the changes in real time. It's usually best to make small adjustments first because subtle changes often look more natural than extreme ones. If your photo is too yellow, cool it down a little. If it looks flat or cold, warm it up just enough to bring the image to life. You can always fine-tune until the colors feel balanced and match the style you want. If needed, you can also use the tint control to make additional color corrections, especially if the photo has a slight green or magenta cast. But for this tutorial, the main focus is temperature, and that is usually enough to dramatically improve the overall look of your image. When you're happy with the result, go to the bottom of the panel and click the Apply button. This locks in your color adjustment and commits the change to the image. If you skip this step, your adjustment may not be saved, so make sure you apply it before moving on to anything else. And that's how to adjust temperature in Pixlr. In just a few steps, you can make a photo look warmer, cooler, softer, or more polished, depending on the effect you want. This is a simple edit, but it can make a huge difference in the final result. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials on Pixlr and other creative tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.